Hello, I'm Simon Fanshawe. I'm going to be doing a session at PfW Conference. The thing about human beings is we're all different. We can't understand each other, we can't walk in each other's shoes. So what this workshop's about is the exploration of that difference, how we get on well, how we can disagree well. Because at the moment, people are anxious and a bit nervous about what those clashes that are inevitable cause in the organisations that we work in. So I want to explore how we include all voices. I want to explore why inclusion and diversity is based on notions of difference, and they're not about imposing rules or about saying to people, if you don't talk like this, think like this and speak like this, we'll exclude you. Because what lies at the heart of organisations' ability to achieve their goals is the combination of our differences. So come and join me and others at this workshop. It'll be interactive. You get lots of time to chat on to each other, to me, and let's see what comes out of it.